So in this story, there is a farmer named Lencho, and he lives on a low hill. There is a house on a low hill. It's the only house. Nobody else lives there. He lives with his family. He is expecting rain to come very soon because the crop in his field is almost ready for a harvest, but it needs a little rain for a better harvest. He discusses this with his wife, and he says that very soon we will have rain. And when they were having dinner, the hailstones came. First there were rain, he was happy, and then the rain turned out into storm and hailstones which destroyed his ripe corn field, and he was very sad. But all night he was thinking about his field, but there was some hope and faith in God, and that was convincing him that don't worry, there is God and He will help him. And that what made him write a letter to God. And the next Sunday he went to the post office. First he wrote a letter and then went to the post office. There he affixed the stamp and put that letter in the letter box, which was collected by the postman, who saw the letter and started laughing, showed that letter to the postmaster. Postmaster also laughed, and then postmaster immediately turned serious, thinking that what a confidence this man is having in God. And he realized this, and once he realized this, he decided that he should help this man, because he didn't want to destroy the faith of this man. So he opened the letter immediately, and when he read that letter, he was a little amazed because it asked for 100 pesos. So he decided that he will help him. He collected money with the help of his employees, his friend. He also donated part of his salary, but could only arrange 70 pesos, which he sent to Lencho. And then Lencho came to the post office inquiring about the reply from God. The postman handed over the letter to Lencho. Lencho opened it, and when he counted the money, he was shocked. He was very angry, and he blamed the post office employees. He immediately took paper and ink and started writing letter to God. And in that letter he claimed that he had asked for 100 pesos, and the God has only sent him 70 pesos. So he requested God to send him the remaining 30 pesos soon, but he also requested that don't send it to the post office, because the post office employees are a crook and they will again steal or take part of the money that the God will send. So he requested that the God not to send the money through post office. And when he posted it in the letter box and went, the postmaster went immediately. He was curious to read. He wanted to know what this man has written again in the letter. He opened it, and when he wrote that letter, he was just surprised and to see that though he has helped this man is considering him and the post office employees as crooks. This is what happens in real life, and he didn't bother about it much because he knew that this man is so sinful. And this is where our story stops. So this tells us that if you have faith in God, God will try to help you through one way or the other. So we should never leave our faith or hope in God. God will always help us, come what may. He is always watching us from the sky. Thank you. We'll discuss the exercises in the next lesson or in the next session. Go through it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and I will reply to it.